Today we're going to study how to complete Punnett squares in 5 easy steps. The first step is to identify your parent genotypes. You'll need one from the mother and one from the father. Each genotype consists of 2 alleles, which are represented by letters that represent the traits that they have. An example of an allele could be capital B for brown eyes. Another allele on the same gene for eye color could be lowercase b for blue eyes. Since we inherit traits from both our parents, we have 2 alleles. The second step is to write your 2 parent alleles on the top and along the left side of the Punnett square. If you have a parent with genotype capital B for brown eyes, then you will put 1 capital B over each column in the Punnett square. It is typical to put the father on the top of the Punnett square. The third step is to drop the father alleles down into each of the 2 boxes under the column that the alleles are sitting on top of. So if you have a father with genotype capital B, each of the 4 boxes below will get a capital B. But if you have a father genotype capital B, lowercase b, the 2 left boxes will have capital B's in them, and the 2 right boxes will have lowercase b's in them. The fourth step is to drag and copy the mother alleles over, just like we did with the father alleles, down. So if you have a mother with genotype lowercase b, each of the 4 boxes will get a lowercase b in addition to the 1 father allele they already received. Now you should have 4 boxes with 2 letters in each of them. Notice that all 4 boxes may not be the same genotype. This represents the possible outcomes that your children can have when you combine 2 different parents. The 5th step is to summarize the results. You'll look at the Punnett square you've completed and analyze the 4 offsprings that are in each square. If you have 4 of a kind, like here, capital B, lowercase b, then you have a 100% chance that your children will inherit that genotype and therefore that phenotype or characteristic, which in this case is brown eyes. Not every Punnett square cross will be the same though. In this one, both parents have a different genotype than the last Punnett square. They both have capital B, lowercase b. You'll see that the 4 offspring are different than our results from the last one. You have 1 out of 4 will be capital B, 2 out of 4 will be capital B, lowercase. The order of the 2 letters doesn't make a difference in this case. And then 1 out of 4 will be lowercase b. So now we have totally different outcomes because our parents changed. Whatever your results, a good way to check them is if they add up to 1 if you're using fractions, or 100% if you're using percents. So here, 25% plus 50% plus 25% is 100%. So that looks right.